Does so well, and Nona leaves it behind though. And it's play on here for the Fijian Drua. And away they go. Into the backfield. Out to Nakesa. Nakesa's going to go all the way. That is a counter-attacking masterclass from the Fijian Drua.
I was in the Nandi Rugby Union. I was playing there, and I was called to be machine on camp Sunday, and I was there. My first day at the camp, I ashamed because I was the younger one last year.
What's the dangerous unpredictability we know about counter-attack at this?
This is my second year to be part of the Fijian Drua Women's team. It's not an easy task, but it's very hard. During my last season last year, when I selected to be part of the Fijian Drua Women's team, and I was happy to because I was with Waido, both from Vunamoli village, and we are so proud to make our village and community proud because we were the first female ever in the village to take part in the Super W. It doesn't like last year, we have a lot of time to train. I think this year was a short time, but we able to achieve a grand final this year. We were so happy to win the home semi-final and being called to the grand final.
The Fijian Drua Women. Kanita. It's over, and it is full time. The party won't go forever because there's still the men's game to come, the Drua and the Hurricanes, but for now,